Forget everything you know about the BMW M3. Just forget it. Because what you are looking at right now is not an M3. It's a supercar that just happens to have 4 doors and a BMW badge. Look at this blue missile. Look at the stance. This is not evolution. This is revolution. BMW just leaked the design direction for the 2027 M3 Coupe, and it is the most radical departure from tradition we have ever seen. No more boxy sedan. No more controversial grille debates. This is a low-slung, mid-engine looking weapon that seems to have stolen design DNA from the Vision M concept and injected it with steroids. Is it electric? Is it hybrid? Does it still scream with an inline-six? We are about to uncover every secret. My name is BMW. This is New Car Insider, and if you thought BMW lost its way, they just found it again. Buckle up. First, let's talk about what we are seeing. This electric blue beast has been circulating as the alleged M3 Vision Coupe concept, and it represents a fundamental shift in BMW M Division's philosophy. The front end is clean, sharp, minimalist. Notice the kidneys? They are still there, but they are horizontal, subtle, and integrated into the bumper, not dominating the entire face like the current G80 generation. BMW listened. They heard the hate, and they fixed it. The headlights are ultra-slim LED matrices inspired by the Neue Klasse family, giving the M3 a futuristic, aggressive squint. But the real drama is the side profile. Look at those proportions. The cabin is pushed forward. The rear haunches are massive. This is not a typical M3 silhouette. This looks like it borrowed the blueprint from a supercar. Think BMW i8 meets McLaren. The side scoops are functional, channeling air to cool what we assume is a high-performance hybrid or electric powertrain. And those wheels? Massive multi-spoke turbines wrapped in low-profile rubber, sitting flush with the fenders. This car sits planted. So here is where it gets complicated and exciting. BMW has confirmed that the 2027 M3 will be offered in 2 versions, a fully electric iM3 and a traditional internal combustion variant powered by the legendary inline-six. Let's start with the electric monster. The iM3 will ride on BMW's new Neue Klasse platform and is rumored to feature a quad-motor setup, 1 motor per wheel, delivering a combined output of around 700 to 800 horsepower. BMW's M Division CEO Frank van Meel has publicly stated this car will beat everything you have ever seen, promising supercar-level acceleration and handling. We are talking 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, possibly closer to 2.5 seconds. That is faster than the current M5 CS. That is Porsche Taycan Turbo S territory. But here's the twist. BMW is not abandoning the combustion engine. The traditional M3 will keep the upgraded S58 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six, but now paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system for the first time in M3 history. This gives you instant torque fill, improved fuel economy, and emissions compliance without the weight penalty of a plug-in hybrid system. Expect output in the 530 to 560 horsepower range for the base M3, with a potential competition version pushing even higher. The inline-six stays alive, and purists can breathe again. Step inside. And this is no longer your grandfather's M3. BMW has stripped away the complexity and embraced what they call driver-focused minimalism. Imagine a curved, translucent 3-screen cockpit that wraps around the driver like a fighter jet. The center console is angled toward you. The steering wheel is cut down, flat-bottomed, and features a Boost Plus button, a direct throwback to the Vision M concept that unleashes maximum power on demand. No more scrolling through menus. Just press and destroy. The materials? Sustainable microfiber, carbon fiber everywhere, and BMW's new smart fabric technology that adjusts firmness and temperature based on your driving mode. In boost mode, the seats hug you tight, the displays go full race mode, and the car becomes an extension of your reflexes. But flip to ease mode, and the car can drive itself on highways, the ambient lighting softens, and you can relax. It is Jekyll and Hyde, packaged in Bavarian precision. Let's talk numbers. BMW has been testing prototypes at the Nürburgring, and insiders report lap times that are terrifying. The electric IM3, with its four-motor all-wheel drive system and active torque vectoring, is expected to post lap times competitive with the Porsche 911 GT3. That is not a sedan anymore. That is a track weapon with back seats. The traditional inline-six M3 competition will likely hit 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, with a top speed north of 180 miles per hour when the limiter is removed. But the real magic is in the chassis. BMW is implementing rear-wheel steering, adaptive dampers, and a new carbon ceramic brake system as standard on higher trims. This car will dance. So when can you buy it, and how much will it cost? BMW has confirmed the reveal for late 2026, with deliveries starting in early 2027 as a 2027 model year. The base inline-six M3 will likely start around $85,000, while the IM3 electric will push $110,000 to $120,000 depending on options. Is it worth it? If you want the last great inline-six M3 or the first true electric M supercar, then yes. This is history being written in real time. BMW is betting everything on this car, and from what we are seeing, they just might win. What do you think, electric or inline-six? Would you take this radical design over the current G80? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this exclusive breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe to New Car Insider. We have the new Audi RS6 Avant review dropping next week, and it is insane. Thanks for watching. I'm BMW, and remember, drive it like you stole it.